Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. Today I'm going to be repainting the valve cover on my Evo 9. Powder coating may be a better option, but I don't want to have to deal with the hassle of removing the baffles or sandblasting or any of that stuff. So we're going to be painting it. First thing we got to do is remove the valve cover, so let's get started. Alright guys, the valve cover is off. Pro tip, when doing any work like this, make sure to cover up your valve train so nothing gets in there like dirt and debris. Here are a few of the items that we're going to be using to paint the valve cover. I have some 3M masking tape to mask off all the holes and also the ports that you don't want any primer or spray paint going into. Right here I have 220 grit sandpaper and then 1000 grit wet sanding paper to get that final finished smooth look. In order to get that OEM paint off the valve cover, I'm going to be using this paint remover along with this brush to apply it. This wire brush right here will help remove any of the lifted paint from the metal surface. As far as painting the valve cover, we're going to be using this engine enamel primer and then also the Wrinkle Plus by VHT. Before we remove the paint on the valve cover, we need to do a few things. We need to mask off everything and also remove the gasket on the valve cover. Now we're going to degrease the valve cover and also clean it. key to a nice finish with wrinkle paint is to use either a heat gun or have it put in the oven and bake for a little while. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll be installing some engine bay bling, and also you'll see the valve cover on the car. Comment below and let me know what colors you'd like to see on a valve cover. If you like this video, smash that like button and also subscribe. Till next time.